How to install one light frosted shade wall sconce. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Unscrew the ball knobs from the back plate, then remove the mounting plate. Carefully and gently pull the outlet box wires through the mounting plate. Attach mounting plate to outlet box with mounting screws. The screws of mounting plate should be horizontal installation. Twist plastic wire connector until wires are tightly joined. Wrap each connector with approved electrical tape. Be sure that no wire strands are exposed and tuck all wires into the outlet box. Align the holes in the back plate with the mounting screws. Place the gaskets and thread the ball knobs till tighten. Install the bulb. Screw glass shades onto sockets. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.